Cognitive psychology is the study of mental processes such as perception, memory, reasoning, and problem solving. It focuses on understanding how people acquire, process, and store information. Cognitive psychologists investigate how individuals interpret the world around them, form beliefs, and make decisions. Key concepts in cognitive psychology. 1. Memory. Definition. Memory is the cognitive process of encoding, storing, and retrieving information. It is central to learning and decision-making. Types of memory. Short-term memory, STM, limited capacity and duration, e.g., holding a phone number in mind. Long-term memory, LTM, storage for longer periods, with vast capacity. Working memory, active processing and manipulation of information. Example, a student remembers details from a textbook chapter and applies them during an exam. This involves both STM and LTM processes. 2. Attention. Definition. Attention is the process of focusing mental resources on particular information while ignoring other stimuli. Selective attention, the ability to focus on one task while ignoring distractions. Divided attention, the ability to multitask and handle multiple streams of information at once. Example, a person trying to read a book in a noisy cafe requires selective attention to focus on the text. 3. Perception. Definition. Perception is the process of interpreting sensory input from the environment to understand the world. Types of perception. Visual perception, interpreting visual stimuli, e.g., seeing an object and identifying it. Auditory perception, interpreting sound, e.g., recognizing speech. Example, optical illusions, where what is seen does not correspond with physical reality, show how perception can be manipulated. 4. Decision-making. Definition, the cognitive process of selecting a course of action from several alternatives. Types of decision-making. Rational decision-making, involves logical analysis of information. Heuristic decision-making, relies on mental shortcuts and past experiences. Example, deciding whether to buy a product based on reviews or brand loyalty. Biological basis of behavior. Brain structure and function. The brain is the central organ responsible for controlling behavior. Its structures and functions are critical in understanding cognition and behavior. 1. Brain structure. Cerebrum, responsible for higher functions like thought, decision-making, and memory. Cerebellum, coordinates motor control and balance. Brainstem, controls basic life functions such as breathing, heartbeat, and arousal. Limbic system, involved in emotion, motivation, and long-term memory, e.g., hippocampus, amygdala. 2. Brain functions. Motor functions, the frontal lobe controls voluntary movement. Sensory functions, the parietal lobe processes sensory information. Language, the left hemisphere handles language processing, Broca's and Wernicke's areas.